Welcome guys. This is our first video in a series that we are going to teach on how to start your online store. See, this pandemic, this COVID-19 has hit everyone so hard that everyone is thinking about a side hustle, and everyone is thinking that how they can move to online space, how they can start their online shop where they can sell their products and sell their services also. So basically what we are going to cover in this series is how you can start your online store, what do you need for this, and we will give you a step by step guide to help you start your online store. So first of all, let us see what do we need for an online store. First of all, we need a domain name. What is a domain name? Domain name is the web address that anyone can use to access your website. Like you type amazon.com, you type flipkart.com. What are these? These are domain names. So first of all, you need a domain name. Second is the web space. Why do you need a web space? Because see, you have purchased a domain name, but you have to store your website, you have to store your online shop on that address so that someone can access it. So to storing those files, to store those images, you need a web space, right? Now how can we buy a domain name and a web space? There are a lot of online vendors which provide services like who sell domain names and web space. The most frequently used service provider is GoDaddy.com. You can simply go to GoDaddy.com. So on GoDaddy, first what we have to do is we have to look for a domain name which is available for us. So let me enter any domain name and see if it's available or not. Let me enter myshop.com. Generally any domain name which is this much common, it will not be available for you, it will be already taken. So let me enter any other domain name. Let me enter Android Cavalry shop.com. This domain name is available. It's for only 199 per first year, and after that it will be like 5 to 600 for first year, for 1 year, sorry. So let me add this to the cart. Continue shopping. Now we have added the domain name into the cart. What we need now is we need hosting plan. So let's go for this budget friendly shared hosting. This plan is only for 99 per month, and it includes one website, a 30 GB storage capacity, one database. For one website we basically need one database, so that this is okay to me, and let me add to the cart. The term length is for how long you need this storage space, like for 2 years, for 3 years, for 1 year. Let's go for 3 years, and at the bottom of it you will see a link, add SSL certificate. SSL certificate means that the website gets secured. See, here it is written as HTTPS, which means this website is secure. So you can add this if you want, but it is not needed. Let's continue. So this is our cart. We have to check out, and before checking out it will ask us to sign in GoDaddy. If you are an existing customer, you can sign in, and or if you are new, you can create an account here. Since I am already using this website, let me sign into my account. Now you can go with the payment, and then the process will complete. I do not need this domain, so I am not going to purchase it. It was just for a demo purpose. Now I'll go to my account. I'll give you an example that how the products are listed in your account and how you can set up your shop. Go to my products. All my products will be listed here. The products that I have with the GoDaddy account. See my website androidcabulary.com and my domain plans, my hosting plans. So these are my websites which are hosted on GoDaddy. So let me click on manage. Check the website name on which you want to start your shop and click on manage. So this is your domain name. Click on cPanel admin. The cPanel is the application which is used to manage all websites. I mean, every other hosting provider gives you a cPanel background. With the websites which are stored on Linux server, they provide cPanels. So here you can, this is the file manager which is used to manage the files on your website. The PHP MyAdmin, it is used to control the database, but you do not need to know about any of this, because we are simply going to use a e-commerce tool. We are simply going to use a e-commerce tool to help us manage our website. This is the file manager. All our public files are stored here, right? These are the applications that can be installed on your web space, and this is the installatron. Here these are different types of applications that you can install on your website. Like these are for community building, these are content management websites tools, sorry, and these are the e-commerce tools that are available. These are the open source free tools which are available, right? The mostly used tool is Magento. Magento is used to create an e-commerce website where you can add your products, categories, and you can manage your orders. Similarly, there is a PrestaShop. So we'll talk more about this in our next video. Till then, I hope you buy your domain and your web space, and we can start moving on. Because see, this tutorial, it's not for remembering anything or like that. You have to go with this by step, so that you can have your own working e-commerce website by the end of this series. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you in the next video.